Road to your dream life in 5 minutes. This is a message for those who have tuned in and felt called to this video. So you're not going to choose a pile. I'm doing a few cards from each deck and I'm tuning into the ones listening. So only listen to this video if you really feel called that this is your reading. And we're diving right in. We're going to see what steps to your dream life to take. I'm going to start to shuffle and I'm taking a few cards from each deck. These two. This is a really beautiful herbal deck. And since it's a general reading, there is going to be general messages, but if there is something you have a specific question about, please leave a comment and I will answer to your question if there's anything you want to understand more personal for you. Okay, that one. Okay, this one. All right. Sorry. Let's have a look here. I'm really curious. What's the cards for you? Power, foresight, wisdom. Ooh, wow. So tapping into your soul wisdom, like your higher self here, because I feel this is an energy of our highest inner soul energy where we have like a billion years wisdom inside stored up in our soul's DNA. I feel that the road to your dream life is really tapping into this field so strongly. And I also see about, I like whispering. I don't know, the word whispers comes so much. I just have to feel into. Hmm. Okay, so whispering your dreams is a very powerful technique actually to manifest things, to whisper, because there is a very subtle, soulful energy coming out when we're whispering. So the cards here are telling you to connect to this wisdom inside, this elder, wise person. You see, kind of resembling here the magician and the ginseng, the powerful roots, like the power we have in our deep, deep roots. And it's coming out like this soft whispering to the world, like you're whispering in your dreams from your soul, because our soul is here for a purpose. And what we want to manifest, the dream life we desire, it's for a reason. It comes from a deep source with us. So bridging the gap from this place within you into the material and the world, it's all about making this connection. So I see a meditation about also bridging this energy. You can visualize like a rainbow or light bridge between your wise soul and this materialistic world here. So these two are directly connected. Yes. And then I see that you're going to feel so powerful when you have this energy connection. So you're just going to be like a light leading the right path for you. It's like you're holding your own light. You don't need to search for it anywhere else. You're the light of your life and you're leading the way for your soul. This is like symbolizing the light. Our soul is leading the way rather than our limiting ideas. So yes, that's the strongest like source of this reading, connecting to this wisdom within. And then I see the beautiful flow here. It's I see it's fulfillment, how she's just content in being in this flow. And she's less concerned about the outcome after she found this peace within, because she's home within herself. So it doesn't matter that much what is actually going on in the world. And I see that from this place, you're going to look differently at what other people appreciate out in the world. You're going to change your view upon that and really realize that your dream life is inside of you. It's already there. The only thing you need to do is bridging the gap between your worldly thoughts and your deep soul. That's all you have to do, and then you're going to be so relaxed and content in this beautiful space you found within, that you're going to realize on a really deep level, what is your dream life? It's right there within you. You already have it. So it's all about bridging that gap. Okay, and from this beautiful place, I see that this creation card is just a divine union between the yin and yang, the masculine and feminine, the spirit and the body, the materia and the essence. I just see her stepping in. Wow, this was a powerful energy. You're stepping into this amazing union within yourself. And from this place, you can kind of create anything. Whatever you do from this essence is going to be love, it's going to be beautiful because you have the truth and you're stepping out into the unknown. And I feel this again, it's like you don't really care too much about what you're doing as long as you're doing it from your soul, as long as you're listening to your soul purpose. It's gonna just bloom. See how it's blossoming behind her. So wonderful here. And she has the balance. See, she has this scale here in her hand balancing the elements, and she has found the ultimate balance between yin and yang, the masculine and the feminine. Okay, so this was the message that wanted to come through to the collective and to those who have chosen to listen to this right now. You found this reading in the right time because it's timeless. It's going to be the right time for you to step into this when you find this. All right, blessings to you, my love. Thank you for listening. Bye.